Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Halloween slime. Let's start off with some spooky slime jars. So we need 200 ml of water and 1 tablespoon of borax. I'm mixing this together. I'm now adding 138 ml of PVC glue to a bowl. To this, I'm adding some green glow-in-the-dark dye and mixing it all together. Now I'm adding the borax solution and stirring. Mix in as much borax as you need. We want it to be a goopy, stretchy slime. Now let's put that into a small jar. Perfect. I now have some black felt, and I'm cutting it in a zigzag. I'm making Frankenstein's hair out of this. I've got a glue gun, and I'm going to glue it to the top of the jar. Just like so. Perfect. Now I'm going to draw on a face using a black marker pen. Super cool! Now let's repeat the process with orange glow-in-the-dark dye. Add some borax solution and make your slime. Looking good! Super stretchy! Amazing! Now let's add it to the jar just like we did with the green one. Perfect! This is going to be a pumpkin, so now you need to take some black felt and make a face. Glue it on, just like we did before. Cool! That's creepy! Perfect! Now let's make the last one. I have some white glow-in-the-dark dye, and I'm adding it to the glue and repeating the process again. Let's make some more slime. Looking good. I'm going to make a ghost out of this one. So let's stick on a ghost face. Perfect. Creepy. Amazing! Don't these look great? Spooky slime jars. Now let's make some green eyeball slime and some orange pumpkin slime. So let's start with 138 ml of clear glue. I'm also adding some green food dye. And some glow-in-the-dark eyeballs. Add your borax solution as necessary, and you'll see your slime is starting to form, with eyeballs and everything. Creepy! Perfect! Now let's make our orange pumpkin slime. Again, I'm adding 138 ml of glue to a bowl. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of shaving foam and mixing it all together. I'm also adding some orange food coloring. Give it a good stir. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it all up and you'll get amazing pumpkin slime. Perfect! Next up, let's make some glow-in-the-dark eyeball slime. So again, we're adding 138 ml of clear glue to a bowl. Add your borax solution as necessary. And there we have some awesome clear slime. I now have some glow-in-the-dark eyeballs, and I'm pressing them into the slime mixture. Amazing! Cool! Glow-in-the-dark eyeball slime! Finally, let's make some red Halloween slime. Again, let's add 138 ml of clear glue to a bowl. To this, I'm adding some red food dye, and the borax solution as necessary. We want some goopy, stretchy red slime. So much fun to play with, so creepy and so Halloween. Perfect! There you have it, lots of different ways to make Halloween slime. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed and have a happy Halloween. Bye!